an awkward corner of a garden that you don't want too much cover, but you want a bit of cover from the neighbour. And let's just back out here and I'll show you what has been planted here, and it gives you an indication of what you can cover. Up there, you see there's the neighbour's house, you can see through there. And that, believe it or not, is Cotoneaster cornubii that's on the background here. Produces berry as well. The berry's all been stripped off by the birds, needless to say. And coming forward, one of my favourites again, Mahonia. Just look at that. But again, it's taller than me, 8-9 foot high. You can see again, it's just covering. And then coming across here, again, a good cover plant to block out the neighbours. Past the tree here, there's a bit of a tree. There's another one that's growing up here. It'll soon grow up. And then if we come forward again, a rather old Mahonia. And there, look, laurel as well. So look at that. You've blocked out next door completely with Cotoneaster, laurel, and then that lovely, gorgeous Mahonia, which of course is one of my absolute favourites. You can buy those fairly large, all these shrubs that I've just talked about. So if you're thinking of planting up and concealing some of your neighbours, there's a few good shrubs there that you could buy at a decent size and cover over. Let's face it, a lot of new builds are built quite close together, but you're planting there, you're not planting trees, you're planting large shrubs. And I often think that a large shrub will work better to cover than actually planting a tree. So there are. There's some thought of the day from Ken Crowther at World Radio Gardening. Don't forget, check us out on worldradiogardening.com, and there's so much information that you could check out and learn from, including machinery that we've tested, digging tools, raking tools, you name it, it's on World Radio Gardening.